Welcome to Good Food and Tours Jamaica. And today we are planting peanuts. Yes, catch me in my little backyard. And I'm going to start by weeding some weeds. So before I plant my peanuts, I have to go ahead and just weed the ground, take out all of those weeds and get a nice clear plot of land. I love to use my bare hands and just take up all of the weeds. I don't know, it's just me, you know. You can comment below how you like to take up your weeds. Hey, look who decided to help me. My little helper. Okay, so I'm finally finished weeding and it's time to look at these peanuts. Alright, so the peanuts that I'm using are the ones that I get from the supermarket. They're not roasted or cooked. These peanuts are just dried, so they're still alive. And I'm just going to crack open some of them and then I'm just going to get my nuts to plant. Yep, I saw a little bug. Hey, that's okay. Alright, so these are all the peanuts that I will be planting today. I'm going to go ahead and put them in this little, what should I say, a little cloth beside the land. And I'm going to go ahead now and just loosen up the dirt. I am loosening up the dirt, or I'm just creating a little hole where I'm going to put the peanuts. But I would have done this better with a fork, because logically thinking, the peanuts is going to grow underneath the earth, right? So we need to ensure that the dirt is loose. But I didn't have a fork, so I just do my best by using the hoe. So if you have a fork, trust me, go ahead and loosen up that dirt, that the peanuts can grow bigger, you know. So now I'm going ahead and just putting down the peanuts in those little holes that I created, just like that. And then I just cover it up. Okay, so after I finish planting, I go ahead and just water. Easy like that, not you? I planted some other peanuts some other time ago, like probably a month ago, and I'll be watering those as well. So yes, see, I planted these. That's the peanut plant right there. And they are growing now, so I'm just going to water them as well. Alright, warning, we're going to look at some yucky stuff. This is basically some compost that I was making, some yam and vegetable peeling. Yes, so I'm going to go ahead and throw this on top of the soil. So don't do like me. Before you plant the seeds, till the soil first with the compost or manure or whatever you're using. All right. After a month after planting those seeds, I'm going to add some manure. By the way, I tie up my little shirt because like I want to look cute for the farm. I don't know, probably pull up before I even finish. Alright, so I have the manure in the shovel and I'm just going to go ahead and just place it around the peanut plants that are growing. Just a little around. Yeah. See my shirt pull up before I even finish, but I want to look cute. I just want to place it around the peanut plants. Yeah. This is basically chicken manure. And this is actually like vitamin, you know, like supplements for your plants. But them grow strong. There's my husband. He's saying that he found another bag of manure and he's wondering what to do with it. So I tell him that him can use it and manure the planting tree that he wanted to manure. Yes. There it is. So that's the planting tree over there. We hope this planting tree grows and just give us a lot of plantings, because who doesn't love planting? Yeah, so we're working on a farm together, our backyard garden. And as soon as you finish putting all of that manure around your peanut plants, go ahead and water them, because you need the water to just wash down all of that nutrients down to the roots. So here I am watering them, and I'll be harvesting these, well, a bunch of peanuts like in the next 2 months. So please stay tuned for more content, see how these peanuts come out. This is the first time I'm planting peanuts, so I hope they come out good. Please like this video and share. Please subscribe, and if you watch more than one of my videos and you don't subscribe as yet, Lord, what do you? What's wrong? But please like this video. It's your little way of supporting me. Have a good day, and thanks for watching as always. By the way, stay tuned for more videos when we're going to harvest these peanuts. You're going to see what come of these peanuts. Yes? All right.